Hello student, we are taking last lecture on hydrocarbon, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. After physical properties, a chemical properties of benzene. First chemical property, addition of chlorine. When benzene adds 3 molecules of chlorine in presence of UV light or diffused sunlight, they add together and to form a corresponding a benzene hexachloride. In short, BHC. It is used as an insecticide for killing the kids or some insects in farmer. So gamma isomers of benzene, that is hexachloride or benzene hexachloride, is called as gamexane or linden, which is used as a insecticide. Now second one, addition of hydrogen. When a mixture of benzene and hydrogen gas is passed or heated, a catalyst like nickel at about 453 to 473 Kelvin, a cyclohexane is formed. Benzene adds 3 molecules of H2 in presence of nickel catalyst at about 453 to 473 Kelvin, and it gives cyclohexane. Or another structure of cyclohexane, each corner 2 hydrogen atom, H, here H, H, and H. It is called as cyclohexane, or it having the molecular formula C6H12. Now third reaction, that is addition of ozone. Addition of ozone. Now benzene adds 3 molecules of ozone to form a benzene triozonoid. When benzene is treated with ozone in presence of inert solvent like carbon tetrachloride, benzene triozonoid is formed, which is then decomposed by zinc dust and water to give a glycol. So in this case here, a benzene hexagonal ring as like this, double bond, single bond and a double bond, and they are with a 3 molecule of ozone having the molecular formula O3. It gives benzene triozonoid. Here 1 carbon, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6 carbon atom. They are bonded with oxygen, like here 1 oxygen, another oxygen, as well as they are bonded with oxygen and oxygen. Then another a single bond, again oxygen, 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 again single bond, then again oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. Each carbon atoms are bonded with a single covalent bond, and each carbon also attached with 1 hydrogen atom each. As like this. So it is the benzene triozonoid. This benzene triozonoid are further treated with zinc dust and H2O. It gives a corresponding glycol, 3 molecule of CHO plus 3 H2O2. So benzene adds 3 molecule of ozone in presence of inert solvent like carbon tetrachloride to form benzene triozonide, which when treated with a zinc dust and water, it gives a glycol plus 3H2O2. In this case, these one molecule, then again two molecule, and again three molecule, or three oxygen are present. That oxygen combines with this hydrogen and to form 3CHO plus 3H2O2. That is ethyl middle, or it is also called as a glycol. So these are some addition reaction. Now next reaction is the substitution reaction. Substitution reaction is the reaction in which when atom or group of atom is replaced by another atom or group of atom, then the reaction is called as substitution reaction. Now benzene shows electrophilic substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen atom of benzene ring are replaced by electrophile like chlorine or Br, NO2, SO3H, R that is alkyl group, COR that is acyl group, etc. So these are substitution reaction. Now benzene shows electrophilic substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen atom of benzene ring are replaced by electrophilic groups like Cl, Br, NO2, SO3H, R, COR. So first reaction is halogenation or halogenation of benzene. Now in this reaction, hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced by halogen atom to form benzyl halide. So in this case, the reaction like benzene and chlorine to form a corresponding chlorobenzene. In this case here reaction, this is the benzene. These are treated with chlorine in presence of a catalyst like Fe. Reaction is carried out in dark to form chlorobenzene plus HCl. H from this carbon and one chlorine, that's why HCl. Name of this compound is chlorobenzene. Here benzene and chlorine. In this reaction, electrophile like chloride, that is chlorinium ion formation of the electrophiles like ApCl3. These are treated with this Cl and Cl. These reactions are carried out in presence of ApCl3. These breaks and Cl are added here to form Cl plus chlorinium ion after losing electron plus FeCl4 minus. So this is the chlorination of a benzene. Now second reaction, bromination of benzene. In this case, benzene are treated with bromine having the formula Br2. These reactions are carried out in presence of FeBr3. It is also treated in presence of ApCl3 also. So benzene are treated with bromine in presence of FeBr3. They adds together and to form a corresponding bromobenzene Br plus HBr. Now electrophile like bromium ion, formation of electrophile like Br and Br, these are treated with FeBr3. After breaking of this bond, one are attached with this and another form a bromium ion, Br plus plus FeBr4 minus. Iodization of benzene is not possible as it is a reversible reaction. Now, next reaction, when excess of chlorine, benzene gives hexachlorobenzene. Excess of chlorine, benzene gives hexachlorobenzene like benzene are treated with 6Cl2. Previous reaction to form Cl, 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 Cl and Cl plus 6HCl. Now next reaction, reaction number 2, nitration reaction. Nitration of benzene. Now in this reaction, benzene is treated with nitric acid. Benzene is treated with mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. That mixture is called as nitrating mixture, or at about 313 to 333 Kelvin it gives a corresponding nitrobenzene. Now this reactions here, benzene are treated with nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture is the concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. That mixture is called as nitrating mixture. They react together, the reaction in which hydrogen atom from any one corner or one carbon are replaced by nitro group and to form nitrobenzene plus H2O. The reaction is carried out at high temperature at about 313 to 333 Kelvin. It gives a nitrobenzene. Name of this compound is nitrobenzene. Now, this nitrating mixture they react together and to form a corresponding nitronium ion. In this case reaction, HONO2, these are treated with 2H2SO4. They react together to form 2HSO4 minus plus H3O plus NO2 plus. That is the nitrating mixture. Now third reaction, sulfonation. Sulfonation of a benzene. Now benzene is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, that means fuming of sulfuric acid. When benzene is heated with fuming sulfuric acid, that is oleum, at about 373 Kelvin it gives a corresponding benzene sulfonic acid. Now electrophile like SO3 free sulfur trioxide, formation of the electrophile. So 2H2SO4 it dissociates to form H3O plus HSO4 minus plus SO3 and to form benzene sulfonic acid. In this case, benzene These are treated with HOSO3H, fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming H2SO4. They react at about 373 Kelvin and to form benzene sulfonic acid SO3H plus H2O. Now this reaction is carried out to form a sulfur trioxide. So 2H2SO4, it dissociates to form H3O plus HSO4 minus plus SO3. So this is the third reaction. Now next reaction, fourth reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In Friedel-Crafts reaction, when benzene is treated with alkyl halide like methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives a corresponding Toluene. So this reaction, benzene are treated with alkyl halide like CH3Cl methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. They gives Toluene plus HCl. Name of this compound is methyl benzene or Toluene from methyl chloride and benzene. Now the reaction is used to extend the chain outside the benzene ring, that is electrophile R. So formation of electrophile like this CH3Cl, these are treated with AlCl3. They react together to form CH3 plus AlCl4 minus. Now this is the Friedel-Crafts reaction for alkylation. Now next one, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Reaction with acyl halide or acyl chloride. In this reaction, benzene is treated with acyl chloride and to form a corresponding acetophenone or phenyl ethane. Now the reaction is benzene. These are treated with CH3COCl. Name of this compound is acetyl chloride. It gives a corresponding or in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. They are heated together and to form COCH3 plus HCl. It is also called as phenyl ethanol or acetophenol. Similarly, this benzene are treated with acetic anhydride CH3CO twice O. They react in presence of same reagent anhydrous Al3 and heat to form again same product, that is COCH3 acetophenol plus acetic acid CH3COOH. In this case, this acetyl chloride, generally RCOCl, these are treated with AlCl3. They react together to form Rc plus AlCl4 minus. Now, next reaction, combustion reaction. In combustion reaction, when benzene is heated in air, it burns with sooty flame, forming a carbon dioxide and water molecule. Reaction benzene having the molecular formula C6H6. These are treated with 15/2O2. They react together to form 6CO2 plus 3H2O. So, this is the combustion reaction. And now, next reaction, directive influence of the functional group in monosubstituted benzene. So, structure of benzene, all hydrogen atoms are equivalent, therefore only one product is possible when it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. So, benzene gives a corresponding one substituted or monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted means one hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced by electrophile or substrate. So, when monosubstituted benzene subjected to further electrophilic substitution and the second substitution, that is electrophile or incoming group, can occupy any of these positions and give 3 disubstituted product. Generally, we can write this benzene, it gives a corresponding monosubstituted, that is S, and these are further treated with three product, ortho, meta and para position. In this case, S with E if they are treated with H and after addition of E. Second case, meta substituted, S and here E. Third one, para substituted, S and here E. So it is the ortho, meta and para substitution. In this case, they are substituted here or here also, and it gives another product also, E and here S. Here also gives another product like S and here E. So, but these products are not formed in equal amounts. So, two types of the behavior are observed. A, ortho and para products B. Meta products are found as a major products. This behavior mainly depends on the nature of the substituent already present in the benzene ring and not on the nature of the second substituent, that is E. Incoming. Ortho-para directing groups substituent like Cl, Br, OH, OCH3, NH3, NH2, then NHR, CH3, C2, H5, R, etc. The groups which directs the incoming group to ortho and para position are called as ortho and para directing groups. That group should be Cl, then Br, then OH, then OCH3, then NH2, NHR, then CH3, then C2H5, then R, etc. These are ortho and para directing groups. Now, ortho and para directive influence of OH groups. Ortho and para directive influence of OH groups. OH groups. Now, in this case, how the bonding is formed with ortho and para? OH, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, and double bond. In this case, O having a lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron are shifted here. These bonds are shifted here, and to form a structure like double bond OH plus. After donation of pair of electron, it become a positive charge. Similarly, it form a negative charge. Then again double bond and double bond. Again, these bonding are shifted here and to form a resonating structures like OH having positive charge. These bonds are shifted here, that's why it having a double bond with a negative charge with a double bond. Again, next structure, they are shifted here. They are shifted here and to form OH having positive charge. Then here double bond. Similarly, double bond and negative charge. And last structure is they are shifted here. They are shifted here to get a original structure like OH. So it having this para and ortho directing groups. Negative charge are in ortho position and para position. Now the ortho and para position have the greater electron density than the meta position. Therefore, OH group activates the benzene ring for the attack of second substituent E at 3 electron or these electron rich centers. Now group possesses the non-bonding electron pair on the atom which is directly attached to aromatic ring. Now methyl group as exception. Only exception to above rule, methyl or alkyl group, it is ortho and para directing, although it has no non-bonding electron pair on the key. This is explained on the basis of a special type of resonance called as hyperconjugation or non-bond resonance. Now, in case of aryl halides, halogens are moderately deactivating because their strong eye effect. Overall electron density on the benzene ring decreases. It makes the electrophilic substitution defect. Now, however, due to resonance, the electron density on the ortho and para position is greater than meta position. Halogens are at ortho and para directing. Let us study the various resonating structure of chlorobenzene. Same structure except this OH, other is chlorine. See here. Chlorine having a lone pair of electron. Again this pair of electron donate here. These bonds are shifted here and to form Cl having a positive charge, here negative charge, that is ortho. Again they are shifted here, and to form next resonating structure, double bond Cl positive, then here a double bond negative and double bond. Again they are shifted here and to form a next resonating structure like double bond Cl with a positive charge and here negative. Again they shifted here and to form a original structure like Cl, but double bond and double bond. These are resonating structures. Then meta-directing and deactivating groups like NO2, then NH3, cyanide. These are meta-directing groups. Meta-directing and deactivating groups like NO2, then NH3 plus, as well as Cn or CHO, then COR, COOH, then SO3H. So all meta-directing groups have a positive or partial positive charge on the atom which is directly attached to an aromatic ring. The groups we direct the incoming groups of meta position are called as meta-directing groups. Now, meta-directive influence of the NO2 group explained on the basis of resonance. Meta-directing groups withdraw the electron from the aromatic ring by resonance, making the ring electron deficient. Therefore, the meta groups are ring deactivating groups due to negative inductive effect. NO2 groups reduces electron density in benzene ring at ortho and para position. So the attack of incoming groups becomes difficult at ortho and para position. Incoming groups can attack on meta position more easily. So in this case, the structures like nitrobenzene, This is the structure of benzene with nitro group N, then O minus, double bond O, having two lone pair of electron. Now in this case the bond are shifted here, then again these bond are shifted here, and to form a structure like N plus O minus, and here double bond O with a three lone pair of electron with a negative charge. Again it having a positive charge. Again they shifted here, and to form a corresponding resonating structure like benzene with positive charge, then N O minus plus double bond O having a three lone pair of electron and negative charge. Again the resonating structures like they are shifted here, and to form ortho positions like benzene with double bond here, positive charge, then double bond N with positive charge, oxygen negative charge, double bond with oxygen a three lone pair of electron with a negative charge. Lastly it gives a single structure after donating a single bond. To form a first structure, but changes will be only bonds position. N O minus, here plus, double bond O having a two lone pair of electron. These one bond are shifted here, that's why a lone pair of electron are formed here. So here single bond, here double bond. Now the ortho and para position have the comparatively less electron density than a meta position. Hence this incoming group electrophile attacks the meta position. And last point, carcinogenicity and toxicity. Benzene, both toxic and carcinogenic, that is cancer causing. In fact, it might to consider the mother of the carcinogens. As a large number of carcinogens have a structure, those include the benzene, tobacco or coal or petroleum. In complete combustion, polycyclic aromatic compounds, that is carcinogenic. In liver, benzene is oxidized to epoxide. Then benzopyrene is converted into epoxydiol. These substances are carcinogenic and can react with DNA, which can include the mutation leading to uncontrolled growth of cancer cells. Now in this case, tobacco, coal, then petroleum, incomplete combustion to form polycyclic aromatic compound. polycyclic aromatic compounds, that is carcinogenic. So this is the last lecture of hydrocarbon.